In this video, we're talking about my top 10 YouTube channels for your engineering success, and we're starting right now. Hey 1% Nation, I'm Jake Voorhees, and you're watching the 1% Engineer Show, where we empower young engineers to rise to the top 1% of their career. If this is your first time here and you want to be a successful engineer, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. There's a ton of content on the internet about engineering, but very little and very few YouTube channels about how to actually be successful in your career as an engineer. And that's what these 10 channels focus on. The same sort of stuff that I talk about online. I'd love to hear what is your favorite YouTube channel. Leave it in the comments below. So let's jump right into it with channel number 1, which is Major Prep. Major Prep is one of my favorite YouTube channels. It's run by an awesome electrical engineer from California named Zach. He went to Cal Poly State. After graduation, he worked for a short period before leaving that job and focusing on his YouTube channel along with being a math tutor. The channel focuses on choosing the right major for you. And since he's an electrical engineer, he focuses a lot on which STEM type major to choose. His channel talks about how much math certain majors use, and the breakdown of specific types of engineering and other STEM majors. Some of his best are things like mechanical versus electrical engineering. The channel's about 42,000 subscribers and he has around 100 videos. Most of you guys know about Zach and Major Prep because we feature each other's channels, and I've done some collaborations on his, like how I got into grad school and how I think you can too. Thank you so much, Zach, for all your support. I love your Major Prep network. Channel number 2 is Engineered Truth. Most of you guys know about Engineered Truth because it is the predominant career channel on YouTube. I'm pretty sure it's the biggest one. And since Matt is a mechanical engineer who went to California State University at Long Beach, a lot of his content has origins within engineering careers. So he's had lots of engineers on his channel. The platform is notorious for his reality versus expectations videos, where he hosts a working professional to discuss aspects of their career. Mostly what they thought it would be like versus what it was really like. He's had all types of engineers on the show, including myself, and I'm so thankful to be featured on that channel. We did the interview last fall and it was finally released lately, and I've seen this crazy surge since, so thank you, Matt. Also want to say that Matt pivoted from full-time engineering and is a full-time entrepreneur based on first his YouTube success and then also being an affiliate for a digital marketing course. His channel reflects his story, his frustrations with the education system, with the corporate world. And a lot of his videos today are about real estate investing, cryptocurrencies, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to be an entrepreneur, and how to sort of deviate from the pack, which I think is important to consider. So we have slightly different stances on engineering careers, but it is still a great platform for you to decide if this is the right engineering major for you, what you think it might be like, and what it is really like. So check out Matt's channel for sure. Channel number 3 is Dave X. Dave is an electrical and computer engineer who went to Carnegie Mellon, great engineering school, where he achieved both his bachelor's and his master's degrees. He's worked in a bunch of software engineering roles since graduation, including his latest role for Squarespace in New York City. Dave has 136 videos that focus on tech salaries, his career experience and progression, tips for being a coding student, and overall information about software engineering and the surrounding fields. He vlogs about his career too, the types of companies that he's targeting next, and all types of things going on in his real life, which is really cool to see from a software engineer. Can't wait to see what you have for us in 2018, Dave. Dave has also been interviewed by Matthew Tran, so find that interview with those guys. Channel number 4 in this series is STEMinin. STEMinin is a channel and platform to empower women in STEM and to provide awareness and exposure to the success of female engineers and scientists. It's run by a mechanical engineer from Canada, a friend of mine named Jessica Drusko, who went to McGill, and now she is pursuing her master's degree from ETH Zurich in Switzerland in aerospace engineering. I'm thrilled with the success she had. She's been featured on the YouTube Creators Hub podcast lately, where she gave me a nice little shout out. Thank you for that, Jess. She's been on my show. We did a live YouTube interview about her studying abroad and mechanical and aerospace engineering being together in some ways, how she decided to get her master's and everything like this. So check that interview out for sure. I'm so impressed last month because during the December Vlogmas challenge, she released a video every day. She got a lot of good content, a lot of interviews with other female engineers, and vlogs about her journey in aerospace engineering. Channel number 5 is Freedom in Thought. Freedom in Thought has an insane YouTube story that I love to tell. This channel started as a project called Engineering Worth and is created by a mechanical engineer from the University of Alberta named Justin. It was a community to help engineering students feel less depressed and stressed about school, and to give them actionable advice to succeed. Last year, as Justin has evolved as a person, the channel and platform have evolved as well. He decided to rebrand Engineered Truth and call it Freedom in Thought, where he talks about how to be a more productive and successful person, not necessarily within engineering academics, but he describes it as a curation of timeless and pragmatic ideas from some of the greatest thinkers and doers in history, mixed with some subjectivity from himself. He's had some videos go insanely viral. And this time last year, his channel had 10,000 subscribers, and now it has 357,000 subscribers, which is unbelievable. That's 3,500% growth. What? Go check out Freedom in Thought, guys. Channel number 6 is Mayuko. Mayuko is a software engineer who graduated from UC San Diego with computer science and works for the online donation company Patreon. She took the software engineering community on YouTube by storm last year, and with just a few videos has over 70,000 subscribers today. If you YouTube software engineer, a bunch of her videos come up. Her content is about what it's like to be a software engineer, a day in that life, reasons why she likes it, how much math she uses, and so on. She does live streams, a handful of other collabs with people, like being on Matt's show. You see a theme here, guys. And with only 11 videos, again, over 70,000 subscribers. So Mayuko, I cannot wait to see what you have going on next. Channel number 7 is A Stephanie Explains It All. A Stephanie is an embedded software engineer, maker, YouTuber, and tells her entire career story on Instagram, where she's racked up 50,000 followers on that platform. Her audience loves her because she not only shows off her creative work, but her fun work environment as well. Her Instagram stories really shows what it's like to work for a progressive office and just have fun as a software engineer. I also appreciate how she shows the rawness of being successful in life, because she's often up late editing videos and working on her maker projects, so that is relieving for me to see that there are other people out there grinding. I think it's really good for students and young engineers to see that too, that even us as professional people, we're putting in that time to be successful, guys. So check out Stephanie's YouTube channel, where she shows all of her maker projects, and her Instagram as well. Channel number 8 is Joma Tech. Joma stands for Jonathan Ma, who went to Waterloo and majored in computer science and math. Waterloo is one of the best engineering schools in Canada, so props to you, Jonathan. He's worked for a bunch of awesome tech companies like LinkedIn and Microsoft and BuzzFeed, and now he presently works at Facebook. He also interned at Facebook before working there full time. And he has a passion for entertainment and media, which is why he made his YouTube channel. He's done collabs with Mayuko, which is awesome because her following has helped him grow really quickly. And he's made several videos about how he landed these internships at awesome companies. He's also doing a startup series, and I know he has plans for his awesome content in 2018, so check out Joma Tech for sure. Channel number 9 is Natalie Barboo. Natalie is an industrial engineer who is in her senior year at NC State. So go Wolfpack. I've had some NC Staters on this channel, like Nehemiah Maybury. NC State's a great school. Everyone speaks so highly of the engineering programs there. Natalie's YouTube channel is mostly about her life. She has a fashion, lifestyle, makeup type twist to it. But you guys know I'm a big supporter of the women in STEM, women in engineering movement. So her channel serves as a reminder that you don't have to be like one of the guys or an absolutely nerdy, non-stereotypical girl to be a girl in engineering to be successful in STEM. And Natalie is just such a great example of that. You can be a regular girl in engineering after all. Natalie has videos about how she balances engineering and college life, why she chose industrial engineering, and some tips about how to succeed in engineering, and even a engineering note-taking video. Channel number 10 is Explore Engineering. Explore Engineering is a platform with nearly 60 videos and over 40,000 subscribers that teaches all types of engineering information like best jobs and salaries and companies to work for and skills that you need to be successful as an engineer. It's run by an awesome engineer in India named Rahul, and we've done some collaborations together. I've actually narrated several of his videos, so thank you, Rahul, for that opportunity. The channel is taking a turn to more widely used career and success advice. Definitely head over to Explore Engineering so you can crush it in your career. I hope you guys enjoyed my top 10 YouTube channel list so that you can be a successful engineer. If you did, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. If you want access to the Facebook group and you want 5 free ebooks, follow the links below for the 1% Engineer Kit. Make sure you leave your favorite YouTube channel in the comments below so I can include that in the next video. If you have a question about anything in your journey, leave that in the comments too. And as always, guys, thanks for watching the 1% Engineer Show, and stay hungry on your quest to become a 1% engineer. Cheers!